Hey guys, I'm gonna do a cold start on the lawnmower today. Probably not gonna do it on the weed whacker, but and yesterday my friend was over, he taught me how to mow, so I'm doing good. Did a bit of mowing right here. He did the mowing over there. You can see this a little bit up, that's what I did. Here's the mower. It's right now on stop. Put it onto low. See if it catches first. Let me put the phone down, guys. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna put the choke on. Okay guys, we got it. I just turned it off, but that's the lawnmower, it's a Honda. And then we got the weed whacker. Pretty nice. I'm not gonna get started up today right now, but my dad's gonna have to teach me how to do it. Just wanna see if this thing can start up again. But instead on low. No, it has to be on choke. Okay guys, as we got it started, wow, that thing is dead. Uh-oh, what just happened? No. Yeah, you can see there's still gas. I'm gonna check inside of here. And if any other lawn mowing people know what's happening, please tell me, because me and my best friend and my dad, we fixed it. Oh. Here we can see muddy right there. But everything seems to be fine. Let me just tighten this screw. Oh yeah, guys, and today I'll take you guys with me, and I'm gonna go do my first mow on someone's land. Okay, there. Let's see if it starts on low now. Would it start on high? There's to go forwards. That's to actually get the blaze going. You just push down and go forward. Whoa. I think I know what I need to do. Turn the fuel tap on. There we go, guys. The fuel just had to be on. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this to some people's houses, like just over there, probably like my neighbor, and probably gonna cut their grass. Probably gonna get like 40 to 50 bucks. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, like, and share this to your friends that want to start mowing. Or, yeah, for them, if anyone wants to start first mowing, I'll start off with push mower like me. I'm gonna go upgrade it when I get more money. I'm selling a dirt bike, that's mine, for like at least like a couple thousand, and gonna buy a sit-on mower. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure keep going, and also just, yeah, see you guys.